Hi, this is Bruno from RVing TV. Today we're at Bella Vista RV to take a look at a brand new entry into the Class A marketplace. This is a 2020 Invicta 34 MB by Holiday Rambler. The Invicta is a brand new entry and offers incredible amounts of technology and construction inside the unit. The 34 MB is approximately a 36-foot motorhome with outside entertainment and 2 slides, and MB for mid-bath. Let's take a look at some of the exterior features. This unit has partial paint on it, nice large awning. You'll notice it sits on 22.5-inch rims, and they are the aluminum Alcoa rims. Outside, we have an extra large flat screen TV, and what's really nice with the storage is they're all side swing baggage doors, but they are full pass-through compartments. Now this unit actually has 4 pass-throughs that are either this size or larger on the entire unit itself. Outdoor speakers to listen to your music, and as we come around, you'll notice a beautifully molded rear cap, just as we find on more expensive motorhomes. Now let's go take a look at some of the features inside, because you'll be very pleasantly surprised at what you're going to see. The Invicta is just packed with features and quality. So first thing you'll notice when you walk in is a composite tile floor, so not linoleum, all individual composite tile laid down. We have a beautiful dash area, big, robust, very comfortable seats for the long haul. Also, you have a very well laid out dash. So we have our 10-inch Alpine screen here, and with the proper phone, you'll want to make sure your phone is actually unlocked. You can plug your phone into the USB plug down below, and it will launch Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. What's also nice is they have the small microphone button here, so we can say, Google, please map to Naples, Florida.
Showing results for so we can say, Google, please map to Naples, Florida.
So now it's displayed, and it's telling us we have 23 hours and 16 minutes of driving to get to Naples, Florida. Simply like in your vehicle, hit go to start, and it will then map us to our direction. What's also nice is if you have Spotify, you can actually set your music to play, and I've just turned down the speakers before. So here we go. And very easy to use. And that way you've got navigation updated all the time, as well as, you know, your other features of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now I'm going to disconnect the phone, because what we can also do on board, we have multiplex wiring. So we have a precision circuits screen here. We touch that, and you'll notice all our features are right here. We can turn lights on and off, and this is not the rudimentary unit that you find on some coaches. This is a full version, so we can one button push, turn all lights on or off. We can actually set our automatic generator start from here, as well as a number of other features. Now, what's nice with this multiplex, we're going to go over to my phone here. We can use the Precision Circuits app. You'll notice it literally mirrors the screen. We can come here, tell it that we want all lights on or off. So if we've walked out of the coach, realized our spouse is outside, and we left the lights on, we can turn them off without having to run back in. What's also really great with this feature is you can put slides in and out, as well as we're going to go out here. We're going to hit our awning button, and I'll show you the awning here. And we can just sit back and operate our awning using our app from our phone. The connection is made via Bluetooth with the unit. So you have a range of normally about 50-60 feet that you can use to operate this. So anywhere pretty much on your campsite. Now we've got that out. I decide I want to put my porch light on, or we want our awning lights on. And you notice that was all done via our phone. Let's go back inside and take a look at some of these other great features on board. Of course, we do have an inverter on board, and that will power a number of items in the unit. We have a beautiful galley here with a farm-style sink, nice and large, all stainless steel, and you can notice it just looks beautiful. And yes, there's 2 Corian inserts that insert into that. We have our convection microwave, as well as a 3-burner range and stove. Now we also have a large residential fridge. So if you plan to be doing some long distance traveling, you'll have lots of storage space. Now, they've also incorporated very residential style a feature wall in the 34 MB. So you're going to notice our fireplace, which we've turned on right now for ambiance, but it'll also throw heat. Our main TV is right here. Then, as I mentioned, this is a mid-bath unit. We will be doing a review of a 1.5-bath unit as well. Nice large shower with skylight. Across from a good sink, storage below, medicine cabinet above. As I spin around, what you're going to notice, and this was something new that I really was impressed with, and this is something that had been utilized years ago. You'll notice very large pantry. And you can never have enough pantry space, but then you always wonder, what are you giving up when they're just putting a pantry there? So what they've incorporated are swing away. So now you have a large compartment at the back with multiple shelves that are nice and deep, so you don't lose that storage space. You actually gain it dual level. And again, on this side, you know, just absolutely beautiful. We close that up. Let's take a little further look. What I was also really impressed with, we're on a gas unit. This is a 22,000 pound chassis, and we have diesel style stacking washer dryer. Gone are the combination washer dryer. Lots of storage as well. There's 2 wardrobes here. A total of 9 drawers below, good countertop space, really good windows right around, bedroom TV with storage behind it, nice large bed as well with overhead storage, and they've even incorporated a CPAP compartment for those of us that need CPAPs. As we spin around and make our way to the front, you'll notice a nice large sofa, very comfortable, residential size, extra big booth dinette with extra wide table. And of course, you know, as you look around, some little accents here. We have accent lighting above the slide out, so you can turn your main lights off if you wanted for ambiance. This is a 50 amp coach. And our lights as well, because it's on multiplex, can be dimmed down. Now there is a table up front that can be inserted between the chairs. But I'm coming back to the driver's area. We talked about that 10-inch Alpine screen. We have backup and side view cameras, but I'm going to slide my way into the driver's seat to turn on the ignition, and we're going to look at our mirrors here. And the reason I'm doing that, you're going to notice the little light that has lit up. That's your blind spot detection. In this unit, it has been optioned in for blind spot detection. And then up front, And I'm gonna try to get up close here. You'll notice the camera here, that's actually a forward-looking camera for collision mitigation. So just a great little feature. Now these front chairs will swing around and they can be used for viewing as well. Now what we're going to do is I'm also going to do this because we have a great little feature. You know, Holiday Rambler is known for their drop-down beds, so I'm going to just step out of the way here and demonstrate this. Now normally I'd recline these seats back a little bit. Haven't actually tried the bed yet. This is the first time I'm using it in this coach. And you'll just notice push button, nice and easy. It's a queen size bed. And we will stop it just shy. Normally we'd recline the seats back a little bit. There's a memory foam mattress up here. Underneath we have netting that will actually go right around the bed, so if you have small children you don't have to worry about them rolling. And it's just a great spot to put guests. And then when you're done, push of a button and up it goes away. This is looking like an absolutely great product overall. The Invicta is really full featured, packed with incredible features, and the pricing of this unit is going to be phenomenal. So if you're in the market for an A-class motorhome, looking for something with a little more technology than what's been available out there, looking for great features, great construction quality, but at a reasonable and industry competitive price, take a look at the 2020 Invicta. They're starting to hit dealers' lots. This is one of the first from production that has been shipped to Bella Vista, and we were glad to be able to get our hands on it to do a review. If you like the video, please click the like button. Feel free to subscribe and you'll be notified of new videos as they become available on our channel. This is Bruno saying thank you, and I wish you a safe and happy camping season.